ZRX, we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, now the thing is, since we have this sharp, the price drop, sharp move. Okay, now we want to see whether this is a correction relative to this. That means that we can expect the price to drop, or we can look for the reversal, because as we can see, still we can expect the price become a bit deeper. We get the flat for one move up, then from there we see whether there is a continuation or the price can drop. It depends. If we get this up move after the breakout of this top, we want to see how this move can, whether either is a sharp or corrective move. Okay, by the way, since most of the charts we have this down, this move, we get this drop. That's why if we want to trade, we need to be quite careful, because most of them they're following each other. Okay, mostly they're following the Bitcoin. Anyway, we move to higher time frame, we move to daily chart. What we have based on daily chart, we can put this one in relative to this. That's why when the price was within this move, I was keep mentioning we can expect the price to give us a deeper correction similar to what we have here. Exactly, this is what we get. And right now we're looking at this. Okay, still we can expect this one to drop a bit more, but we can put this running flat. Any reversal we are more interested to look for buy. This is what we have been looking for. And now we want, the only thing is we want to see whether this is the correction relative to this for one more drop before we get the reversal, or the price can reverse from here similar to what we get here. Can we expect this one turn to move similar to this for one more drop before we get the next move or not? Okay, anyway, just as example we show, or we can expect to get the correction here for one move up. Okay, what I want to see, that any buy from here we will take it, but we have to start to manage if we get the buy setup. But if the price either from here or if move a bit higher, if we get one more drop before we get the next move, because then from there whatever we get, we can confirm that that move can continue and break the top. But from here, if we get any buy setup, we need to have a proper management. Because we cannot comfort that one is going to break the top, or the one that move can make this one as a more deeper correction for one more drop. Okay, anyway, we move to 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. Still we can expect this one to into a correction similar to what we get here for one more drop. But if this one become a deeper, we can look for this flat 1 2 3. Any buy setup, we will take it. With the breakout of this top, we start to manage. Then if we get any buy setup, that's mean if we come deeper, any buy we get, if this is a sharp move, is good for us. We can expect for the continuation. But if the whatever we get, it turn to a corrective move, this is where we have to take out the trade. That's why if we get any buy setup with the breakout of this, we should have the proper manage. I mean, we should. This is where we need to make a decision whether there is a continuation or not. The only things I can say, first we wait this one turn to DB correction. Then from there we can look for buy. Any buy with the breakout of this top, we have to start to manage. And how about if the price sharply continued? This one didn't give us a proper trade setup. The only way is to have entry above this. But having entry above this is really risky, because as we mentioned, the price can tag, made this one turn to flat for one more drop. Okay, that's why if anyone wants to have entry above this, first they should have experience. The second, what we're looking for, we want the price break and continue. If the price tag within the first hour, we should take out the trade, and we should know even that there is a possibility that simply the price tag, maybe in the first 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, the price can reverse. Okay, that's why I mentioned if anyone's they have experience, they should have entry above this, because if the price tag and drop, then we will consider we have a correction. And the next drop, we can expect the price to retest this low. Okay. Anyway, one of the option can be having entry above this if the price reverse from here, or we wait for the short move flag. But the best things, if this one turn to deeper correction, then we get the trade within this move. And if we get any trade with the breakout of this, we start to manage. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.